In 1955, Walt Disney unveiled his most ambitious creation yet, Disneyland. This was not just another amusement park, it was a groundbreaking concept that would forever change the landscape of entertainment and leisure. Walt Disney had a vision, a dream that he meticulously brought to life, brick by brick, ride by ride. This revolutionary theme park redefined entertainment and leisure, becoming the embodiment of the American dream and sparking a global cultural phenomenon. Families from all walks of life flocked to this magical place, eager to experience the wonder and excitement that Disneyland promised. Walt Disney envisioned a place where families could experience magic, adventure, and wonder together. He wanted to create a world where both children and adults could escape reality and immerse themselves in fantastical stories and thrilling adventures. Opening in Anaheim, California, Disneyland was the first of its kind, an immersive theme park that blended fantasy and reality. It was a place where fairy tales came to life, where the impossible became possible, and where dreams were only limited by one's imagination. It wasn't just about rides, it was about storytelling and creating an experience that captivated children and adults alike. Each attraction was meticulously designed to transport visitors to different worlds, whether it was the wild frontiers of the Old West or the futuristic landscapes of Tomorrowland. Disneyland didn't just open a new kind of park, it opened a new way for Americans to think about leisure. It became a place where families could bond, create memories, and experience joy together. It was a revolutionary concept that changed the way people spent their free time. It created an idealized vision of Main Street, USA, and brought favorite Disney stories to life. Visitors could meet beloved characters, explore charming shops, and enjoy the nostalgic atmosphere of a bygone era. Families traveled from all over the country to experience this new world, making Disneyland a key part of American culture in the post-war boom. It became a symbol of prosperity, happiness, and the boundless possibilities of the American dream. Its influence extended beyond entertainment, shaping tourism, marketing, and how we spent our free time. Disneyland set new standards for customer service, themed environments, and immersive experiences, influencing countless other industries. Disneyland set the stage for an entertainment empire. It was the foundation upon which Walt Disney built a global brand that would include movies, television shows, merchandise, and more theme parks around the world. Its success led to the creation of other Disney parks, including Walt Disney World in Florida, and parks across Europe and Asia. Each new park expanded on the original vision, bringing Disney magic to new audiences and cultures. Today, Disneyland is a global icon, visited by millions each year, and it remains a testament to Walt Disney's imagination. It continues to evolve, adding new attractions and experiences while staying true to its original spirit of wonder and adventure. The park's impact goes beyond rides. It launched an era of branded entertainment experiences and redefined the business of leisure. Disneyland became a model for how to create and sustain a brand that resonates with people of all ages. From its opening day in 1955 to its continued expansion, Disneyland has shaped how we imagine and experience entertainment. It has inspired countless other theme parks and entertainment venues, setting a standard for creativity, innovation, and excellence. It's more than just a theme park, it's a piece of Americana. Disneyland represents the dreams, aspirations, and creativity that define the American spirit. It is a place where the past, present, and future come together in a magical tapestry of experiences. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories on how U.S. corporations have changed the way we live, work, and play. Discover the fascinating histories behind the brands that have shaped our world. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more documentaries about the iconic corporations that have shaped modern culture. Stay tuned for more insights into the companies that have left an indelible mark on our lives.